Hey guys, today I'm excited to share with you our 2022 fall market update. We've got a lot of great and relevant information. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, it's Michael Soldano with the Amanda Vang team. Today I'm pleased to present our 2022 fall market update. I know things might seem a little bit crazy in the world, but in real estate, what we're actually seeing is a balanced market between buyers and sellers, which means that there's going to be a lot of opportunity for both. Let's get started. If you have been waiting for prices to come down and the right time to buy, and if you could purchase a home for 10% off peak prices with a payment like we had in January, then this is the market that you've been waiting for. Why, you might ask? There are three reasons why. First, prices have come down 10%. This is huge, but if you look at the last 40 years of real estate in the Silicon Valley, you can see that it's been going up. There's a little bit of down here and there, but for the most part, there's a lot of strength. You can see in 1991 through 1994, there was an 11% pullback. 2001, the dot-com pop, a 10% pullback. 2008, now that's an exception. There was a lot of different things going on there. And 2018 through 2019, an 8% pullback. Our average correction is about 10%. Now, if you look at this graph, what we'll see is that prices peaked in March. This is for the entirety of Santa Clara County. March 18th, it was $964 per square foot. Looking ahead to current day, prices have dropped to $871 per square foot and are stabilizing. So when you look at this graph, you can see this dotted line is the 7-day average, solid line is the 90-day moving average, and right here, that's right where they've crossed again, and we're seeing some stability at current pricing levels. So you might be wondering, will prices go down further? Well, what I can tell you is that our local real estate market is driven by supply and demand, tempered by interest rates. What we saw earlier this year when interest rates came up, buyers started to pull back from the market. Now that pricing has gone down, we're starting to see buyers come back to the market in strength. Taking a look at the market quartile segments for the entirety of Santa Clara County, what we can see is that at the top quartile, right around 4 million, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, there are 21 new homes listed onto the market and 51 homes taken off of the market and sold. Next up, second quartile, 1.996 million, 2,000 square foot home, 45 new homes to the market, 62 purchased and taken off the market. One more step down with a median of 1.4 million, we have 36 new homes to the market and 51 taken off the market. For the fourth quartile, entry-level homes right around $900,000. We see 34 new homes onto the market and 49 homes taken off the market. It's a lot of buyer demand, and what this also means is that there's support for pricing. Reason number 2, innovative financing is back. Now, taking a look at this, you might be wondering, how are these buyers affording monthly payments? Well, creative financing is back. What that means is that it's creating affordability for buyers in ways that we haven't seen since the interest rates have been rising. Up until now, the primary loans we're seeing out there were 30-year fixed or 5 to 7-year loans with 30-year principal and interest payments. Now there are new innovations in finance, and we've actually seen this before, but this is going to be an interest-only payment. Now, look at what this does. I started this conversation by asking you, if you could get a monthly payment like you had in January, look at this table. 2.91%, $1 million loan, $4,167 a month. Now, rates are much higher, but you do have competitive options out there. There's a local regional bank offering a jumbo loan for a rate of 5% for a 7-year interest-only loan. That is the same $1 million loan, paying interest only, no principal but interest only, and it's at the exact same $4,167 a month. So yes, we can now get a monthly payment somewhat like you would have seen back in January. Reason number 3, sellers are negotiating again. We're not in a buyer's market. We're not in a seller's market. We're in a very balanced market, and sellers are negotiating. Just this last week, we put some buyers into homes, purchasing them at slightly above, right at asking price, and a few under asking price. This leads to the next question. When is the best time to buy or sell? Well, if you could purchase a home at 10% below peak prices and still have a monthly payment like we had in January, then the time is now. Now, if you're a seller listening to this market update, you might be feeling like prices are down 10% and that you missed the boat. That's not entirely true. If you're purchasing a home on the other side of selling the home that you're in, then you're buying in the same market that you're selling in. You'll take 10% less from the sale of your home, but you'll also be buying a home at 10% less. And the benefit there is that your property taxes will be 10% lower for the entire time you own the property. All right, guys, thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions, if you're thinking about buying, moving up, or moving down, get in touch with us today. Amanda's contact information is below. Until next time, this is Michael Soldano with the Amanda Vang team. We're here to help you create a better life through real estate. Bye.